Did you know that SolidWorks is used by 7.5 million engineers and designers worldwide? This means that with SolidWorks, you can have the confidence that you're not just buying a CAD system, you're buying into the industry standard for mechanical design. SolidWorks has the tools to empower engineers and designers across the world. Collaboration with clients or hiring new engineers, it's all made easier when you choose SolidWorks. There's a reason the software has grown to become the most used mechanical design software in the world. SolidWorks provides the robust features and intuitive interface you need to turn your vision into reality. And it has the most comprehensive set of design tools out there, meaning you can build complex parametric designs, structural and fabricated models, fully mechanized assemblies, completely detailed drawings, complex consumer products, or run full stress tests with the software. SolidWorks empowers you to bring your ideas to life with unmatched precision and efficiency, meaning engineers can get on and do what they're passionate about, designing innovative products. Sketching is the foundation for any great design. In SolidWorks, we have intuitive sketching tools that allow us to create intelligent sketches quickly and easily. Instant feedback allows us to modify the sketch to the perfect design. Essential features such as holes can be added from the Hole Wizard, a comprehensive library of standard hole types with accurate size, type and thread specifications. Make intelligent real-time modifications to your design using simple drag and drop for a more intuitive experience. For fabrication, SolidWorks comes equipped with comprehensive sheet metal tools. Flanges, hems, jogs and forming tools are all covered, and of course, at the click of a button, an up-to-date flat pattern. For welded structures, intuitive tools allow us to create framework using predefined or custom structural member types, complete with gussets, welds and additional hardware. A fully detailed cut list complete with descriptions and length for structural members, as well as welding data, is automatically captured. For more organic, intricate shapes, SolidWorks comes complete with comprehensive surfacing tools to make the process a breeze. Accurately create your surfaces with sketches and end conditions relating to geometry. Bring your designs together with SolidWorks assembly modelling. You can build small or complex assembly structures with ease, constraining parts to each other to mimic real-life movement. If your assembly requires nuts, bolts, washers and other fixings, SolidWorks comes complete with a toolbox of tens of thousands of fixings, all conforming to a standard. They can automatically resize themselves when the design changes too. Once your assembly is complete, you can evaluate the movement, check for clashes, and even stress test the design to make sure you get the design right first time. Working with piping, tubing and electrical cable is a breeze. Create your pipe and tubing runs complete with elbows directly in the assembly environment. Again, bills of materials complete with cut lengths are automatically generated. Documenting your designs is easy using SolidWorks drawings. 2D views can be added and annotated easily, complete with accurate dimension information and tolerances. Additional view types, such as section and detail views, can be added with ease too. For assembly drawings, exploded views can be created automatically, complete with a bill of materials and balloons. Make yourself stand out from the competition and bring your designs to life with photorealistic renders using SolidWorks Visualize. With increased efficiency and the significant amount of data your team will now be able to generate, a data management tool is essential to accurately manage and control all the design documentation. SolidWorks have you covered. SolidWorks PDM is an on-site data management solution that enables you to manage and control data revisions directly from your desktop. Workflows help capture key stages before a design is approved for manufacturing. Integrated seamlessly into Windows Explorer, it feels instantly familiar to end users. For those requiring more flexibility, 3D Experience Cloud Services allows you to manage and revision control your documentation in the cloud. It can be easily accessed from any machine, anywhere. Thank you for considering SolidWorks and Visiativ for your design needs. With SolidWorks, you're not just investing in a CAD system, you're joining a global community of over 7.5 million engineers and designers who trust and rely on the industry standard for mechanical design. Our comprehensive tools and intuitive interface empower you to bring your innovative ideas to life with unmatched precision and efficiency. With Visiativ by your side as your chosen reseller, you can have the confidence that you're buying into a relationship with the experts in the field. We are the largest reseller for SolidWorks in Europe, meaning we can assist you with wherever your business wants to go next. Whether that's managing your whole design cycle with our PLM tools, handling your spare parts libraries, or optimizing your SolidWorks batch operations, Visiativ has the tools and expertise to deliver full business transformations, all in collaboration with your SolidWorks. We also take the success and satisfaction of our customers very seriously. You can be assured that with Visiativ, you have the partner to drive your business forward.